IELTS Speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Question. What kind of food do you like to eat? Band 5 answer.
I like fast food, like pizza and burgers. They are easy, and I don't have to cook. Sometimes I eat rice and chicken, but mostly I like junk food. I don't really try different food, just the usual things.
Why is this a band 5? Simple vocabulary, repetitive, pizza, burgers, junk food. Grammar errors. I like fast food. They is easy. Lacks expansion and detail. Fluency is hesitant, with short phrases and pauses. Band 7.5 answer.
Well, I enjoy a variety of food, but if I had to choose, I'd say I'm especially fond of Asian cuisine, like sushi and Thai curries. I love the balance of flavours, spicy, sweet, and sour, that makes the meal exciting. At the same time, I sometimes crave simple comfort food, such as pasta or homemade soup, especially when I'm tired. I guess my food preferences depend a lot on my mood.
Why is this a band 7.5? Wider vocabulary, variety, cuisine, balance of flavors, comfort food. Complex grammar structures. If I had to choose, especially when I'm tired. Good fluency and coherence. Ideas linked smoothly. Not just a list. Adds personal detail. Mood-affecting choices. Band 9 answer.
That's a great question. I genuinely enjoy exploring different cuisines, but if I had to pick one, I'd probably say Mediterranean food. I love how it emphasises fresh ingredients, lots of vegetables, olive oil, and seafood. So the meals are not only delicious, but also quite healthy. At the same time, I have a sweet tooth, so I never turn down a good dessert, especially something homemade like a chocolate cake. Overall, I think what I like most is variety, because trying new dishes makes eating much more interesting.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, natural delivery with no hesitation. Lexical resource. Advanced but natural vocabulary. Emphasizes fresh ingredients, seafood, sweet tooth, homemade. Grammatical range and accuracy. Complex structures used effortlessly. If I had to pick one, not only, but also. Pronunciation, if spoken, would be clear, natural, and easy to follow. Development of ideas. The answer is detailed, personal, and demonstrates flexibility in speaking. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.